I am in my self-care and healing era. Hi you guys and welcome to my self-love and healing era. You know what is cute? Loving yourself is cute. You know what is cute? Embracing your flaws is cute and making it your strength is cuter. So yes, everything that you have in you make best use of it. If you are very depressed, very sad, we are going through something, let go of everything और अपना जो भी अपना strength है, gather everything and start with self loving and healing. I know it's really easy to just preach you all and not follow, but you know what, I am following what I'm preaching. So recently I was just procrastinating. I was not working on myself, and also yes, I'm going through a lot of things, but I've just gathered all my energy and I am just putting it onto myself. जब आप अपने ऊपर एनर्जी डालोगे ना, I swear things start working and magic starts happening. So this is everything I do to do my self care, self love, and heal myself. So lately I have been taking care of myself a lot mentally and physically. So my morning starts with ice rub, that is a must. उसके बाद मैं आ गई gym and it's been 3 months that I have been very regular to gym and I cannot imagine my life without this. This is the best time. So I just came back from my shower and today I skipped washing my hair. Also very important for your healing era is to be very neat and clean. ताकि ना जब आप neat and clean होते हो, जब आप साफ होते हो ना, you feel really good. You're not sweating, you're not dirty, and you feel beautiful. So yes, आप अपना body का साथ अपना आप का भी केयर करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. You need to stay neat and clean. So I just took bath and नहाने से पहले ना I do cleanse myself with this one. Let me show you guys. This is from the ordinary और ये जो glycolic acid है ना, इसको आप यूज़ कीजिएगा नहाने से पहले into your this area. Let me show you guys my armpit. See, this is my armpit without any cream, without nothing, because of this glycolic bite. Whereas my armpit was already very clean, but yes, it doesn't stink at all because I use this one. To healing era mein, you need to take care of yourself. So yes, I just took bath, washed, and now I'm gonna do my not my skincare. I'll just put on some sunscreen and let's go to the kitchen. बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लग रहा है. So let me quickly change and I'll see you guys in a while. So every day I prefer to prepare my own food. जो family के लिए जो खाना बनता है, I don't eat that. So mostly I eat some meat and veggies. So today I'll be eating beef and some veggies. I really want to have chicken, but since I am allergic to chicken, so I am mostly avoiding chicken. So yes, that is what. So for today's lunch, I am having fried beef. I fried in very less oil, pumpkin and the lady's finger boiled. Both are from our garden. So yes, bon appetit. Today I'm going out to meet a friend. तो मेरा एक friend आया हुआ है दिल्ली से बहुत दिनों बाद, almost a year ago. So she called me a few days ago and we planned कि हम आज मिलेंगे. Planning is very much necessary. Last moment planning I think वो इतना अच्छा नहीं है. So you have to plan everything in advance. So yes, I got my outfit ready and now I'll be getting ready. So I'm excited to meet my friend after a very long time. So let's get ready. So this is what I'm wearing. I'll be wearing this टॉप. ये तो बहुत नया है, आज इसको फर्स्ट टाइम पहनेगा. एंड दिस स्कर्ट, दिस इज़ माई वेरी ओल्ड स्कर्ट. सो येस, नाउ I'll be getting ready and heading towards my friend's house. Let's go. So guys, I am ready and this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing a skirt and top. ये टॉप आज मैं पहली बार पहन रही हूँ और ये स्कर्ट तो मेरा बहुत ही पुराना स्कर्ट. दिस इज़ माई OG स्कर्ट. So this is what I look like and I need to put on some jewelry, my bag, my sandal, and I'm good to go. Anyways, in your healing era, as I said, you need to be very neat and clean. Even if you are wearing old clothes, it has to be very neat, clean, ताकि ना ये इंटरप्ट करते हैं हमेशा, ताकि आपका जो कपड़ा है ना, इट्स नॉट अबाउट ओल्ड क्लोथ, इट हैज़ टू बी नीट, क्लीन एंड टाइडी, ताकि यू कैन बी वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट. यस, आई एम लुकिंग गुड इन माई क्लीन क्लोथ्स. दैट इज़ व्हाट आई थिंक. सो यस, आई एम शाइनिंग लाइक दिस हियर. So yes, let's go. Guys, my only mode of transportation is tuk-tuk. So these are the beautiful pictures that we got. I am back home क्योंकि me and my friend we were there. We did some photo shoot, video बनाया साथ में बहुत time spend किया. My friend was not very comfortable in the camera, so yes I did not take her. But yes अभी हम लोग फ़िलहाल अपने अपने घर आ गए हैं. So we are gonna change and freshen up and हम दोनों फिर शाम को मिलने वाले हैं. नींबू मसाला नहीं नीचो रहे रे.
क्या था ये बीन्स में ना ऊपर से चिकन लेग पीस हम दोनों भी चाइनीज सलाद कुकुम्बर तो रुको खाना कुकुम्बर उठाओ चमक रही थी टेस्टी है ना KFC फेल है तेजू का फेमस क्या चिकन कॉर्नर चिकन कॉर्नर है ना चिकन कॉर्नर ही हो गया मतलब फ्राइड चिकन वगैरह मिलते हैं लाइक KFC दैट बट उससे तो 100 टाइम्स
better और tasty.
हमें तेजू की सांझे चल रही बन
So I just came back and look at the mess. मेरा room का जो हालत है ना, oh my god, it is so bad. वहाँ देखो. That is the problem with me. When I go out, I just throw everything, get ready, and my jewelry box is out. My clothes are here. Everything is just oh. But you know what? In my healing era, I have also accepted this ki yes, this is gonna happen for sure, because I'm a type of person who likes to get ready, who likes to choose outfit and do all of the stuff. But before I go to bed, I also make sure to arrange all this and clean my room. My room is already very very clean, by the way, but just I'll do wrap up all these things before I go to bed. And next day when you wake up and when you clean the room, and next day when you wake up, you feel so good. But आप इसको अगर रख के ऐसे ही सो जाओगे ना, then it's not gonna be good for you, क्योंकि you'll be lazy the other day and you'll just keep the work pending. उसको रखते 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 it's gonna be a pile, and that is how you're gonna mess up your room, and that will also mess up your life. So you have to make sure to clean your room, to be very very precise. आप जिस दिन गंदा करोगे ना उसी दिन clean करो. By end of the day, before you go to bed, you should clean your room. So that is what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna quickly change and start arranging all this thing. So I just finished arranging and look at my bed, all clear. मेरा towel है यहाँ पे, मेरा t-shirt है that I'm gonna change, and everything is clear. Yes, ये देखिए, my wardrobe is all clean and good, and yes, ready to start a new day. अगर कल सुबह भी हुआ तो I'll be feeling fresh and good, क्योंकि room पूरा साफ है. That is the point of you just accept your mistake. आपको grow करना है ना, then you have to learn what is your mistake, pinpoint it out and then improve it. मेरा यही था कि मैं ना ऐसे रख के सो जाते थे. next day को I used to be very very lazy and pile up, as I told you guys, but now it's nothing like that. It's all clean and good. And now I'm gonna quickly go and take shower, because you can see my face, it's very very oily, but I'm not gonna wash my hair. So yes, I'll be back in a while after I get freshened up. So here I am all freshened up, and I also did my skincare. Look at my vision board, it's looking so cute. It's so dark, it's visible. So every morning once I wake up, I just look at my vision board and I just soak in everything that I wrote. Anyways, I just freshened up, did my everything. Now I'm just gonna go to bed, and before that I'm gonna do a very important thing. So lately, I have been journaling every day. I just write my feelings, my deep thoughts, whatever I went through the particular day. And it feels like I'm talking to somebody. I'm just sharing my thoughts. and it is really helpful. I never thought I could write this much when I started journaling, but yes, I have been expressing a lot of feelings. Good morning, you guys. Welcome to a brand new day. So आते ही नहा लिया एंड टुडे आई वॉश माई हेयर. आई थिंक वीक में 3 बार ही हेयर वॉश होता है, तो आज हो गया हेयर वॉश. सो नाउ आई एम गोना गो टू किचन एंड हैव समथिंग. थोड़ा भूख लग गया. सो नाउ आई बी गेटिंग रेडी टू मेक सम वीडियोज़. मुझे ना 2 वीडियो बनाना है एंड एक स्क्रिप्ट भेजना है. सो येस, दैट इज़ माई वर्क फॉर टुडे. आई विल बी डूइंग दैट. सो मेरा अभी मेकअप चल रहा है. आई विल बी डूइंग ए ट्रांजिशन वीडियो. सो येस, लेट्स स्टार्ट.
2,000 years later.
So I just received another parcel, and guys, I am done with my work. So I am also very active on Instagram. So for those who wants to see more of me, can follow me on my IG. I'll just give the link. I know most of my Facebook subscribers are not following me on IG. If you would like to follow, then you should definitely, you will get to see more of my work. Anyways, अभी मेरा आ गया है PR. So today I received 2 of this PR. Let's unbox this. क्या है इसमें? I am actually missing my nails. Nails में से ना ऐसा करने में मज़ा आता था, but I have been bare nails since 3 to 4 months. Maybe in coming month I'll be making nails. Nails भी पैसा जाता है guys, seriously. Let's open this PR. What is this? This is from CeraVe. Whoa, ये बहुत पहले आने वाला था. This is very late. इसका तो मुझे मेल आ गया था. This one is CeraVe. This is a, what is this? Cleanser. Sorry, मैंने कभी यूज़ नहीं किया CeraVe का वैसे. Let's see. Let's open the next one. इस बार मुझे काफ़ी क्लेंजर मिल गया. I think I got around 5 or 7 cleansers I got. So I got another face wash from Joy Upton Tan Removal. This is a face wash with turmeric and sandalwood. मैंने इसको कभी यूज़ नहीं किया है, but yes. So guys, for dinner I had 2 corn and I am full. So I just came back to my room and see, I have started reading this book. I think almost a week. I think 6 days ago. And yes, this book is, changing my mind. Actually, not only this book, reading overall has, changed my mind. The way I feel about certain things. बुक इज़ समथिंग दैट इज़ गोना चेंज यू. और अगर आपको बुक पढ़ना नहीं है और बहुत बोरिंग लग रहा है बुक पढ़ने के लिए, आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट. देन आई डोंट नो अबाउट अदर एप्स, बट येस, आई डू लिसन टू द बुक्स एट ऑन यूट्यूब. एंड यस, बुक आपको एक पूरा प्रॉपर, मतलब बुक में क्या क्या उसका कंटेंट क्या क्या है आपको पूरा मिल जाएगा यूट्यूब में. अगर आप ऐसे सुन सकते हैं तो भी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है. यस, इनिशियली आई स्टार्टेड विद दैट ओनली. मैं यूट्यूब में सुनने लगी थी कहानी या फिर जो भी है. तो ये सब सुन सुन के आई स्टार्टेड बिल्डिंग दैट, एंड देन आई स्टार्टेड रीडिंग, एंड देन आई bought this one. So I already have like 2 books. I started reading that, and I bought this. I got this to my new. Sorry, I bought this and added to my edition. So yes, this is what. So reading is very important. Just read. Reading is something that I don't know, you cannot get it from anybody. Whatever you are gonna get from books. So yes, if you wanna improve yourself, and if you do love yourself, then reading is what you are gonna do. 2026, this year have been life changing for me. And initially when I started 2026, January, February, March, April, like 5 months though, I was like very confused. What should I do? What should I not do? Should I do this? I was actually thinking of my past also, thinking for my future also. So many things were going on. But now, if you ask this question right now, what I want to do, my focus is really clear, my path is really clear, what I want to do. And yes, I think everyone should be as clear of that. Otherwise you will also keep thinking, what should I do, what should I not do, और वो चीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा boring है. If you're confusing yourself, you're confusing everyone with you, and that is not good for you. So I don't think anybody should be confused about themselves. बहुत ज़्यादा clear होना चाहिए. So yes, these are all the things that I practice. You know, I have been adding to my habits lately to love myself. I'm eating clean, I'm doing my exercise, I'm reading books, I'm going out whenever I want to. I don't sit out there gossip with people. I have my hobby, I have my family, I spend time with my family. So yes, these are all the things that I like to do. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope my video gave something to you guys. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then.